Are you trying to learn more about iCoinPro to see if this is a legitimate system to get started with that you can make money online with? Thank you so much for being on this video. My name is Justin Temple, and I am riding a jet ski on Lake Logan Martin out in Birmingham, Alabama, on vacation, enjoying the laptop lifestyle. And I really love the iCoinPro system. And in this video, I'm going to share with you why I like it and why you're going to want to decide to take action, get started, pull out your credit card, and buy your iCoinPro membership right now. So really quick, please like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell notifications for future videos about network marketing, MLM, and how to make money from home. And I am a top 8 recruiter in iCoinPro at the time right now. So yes, I am one of the leaders, and I will be even higher on the leaderboard soon. So the reason that you should get started in iCoinPro is, one, it's actually not that expensive. It's only $50 a month to be able to be a part of iCoinPro. And then, because it's $40 a month for the training, $10 a month for the tool, really inexpensive. You're going to be able to learn a skill set. So with iCoinPro, you're going to be able to learn a skill set where you can actually be able to do something where you can change your life. No one can ever take away your day trading skills, and your day trading skills do not depend on whether someone wants to buy or not. Let me just make sure this is okay. So anyways, the iCoinPro micro profit system is really awesome, and I enjoy making money without having to recruit people, and then I use that money to recruit even more people. So I really enjoy the iCoinPro system, and it's not that expensive, and it's an asset, not a liability. So how many network marketing companies have you joined where it's actually going to just fill up your garage and be completely useless, and now you got to give that stuff away for free and hope that people, ask you more questions about the company and things like that? Well, this is not the same kind of program. With iCoinPro, you're going to be able to make money faceless. So another thing about iCoinPro is people want to do faceless income, right? People don't want to do videos like this because they're embarrassed or they're actually not making shit. Of course people want to make videos of them doing stuff, but most people don't make shit, or they're scared to make basic videos of a white background at their house. So a lot of people want to do faceless videos and faceless income, and with iCoinPro, you can actually do that. You don't need to show your face. You can actually use the system, click, 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 click on the computer, and change your life and make millions of dollars through day trading. No income guaranteed. Results are not guaranteed. Markets are volatile and everything's on you. But network marketing is like this whole business. You got to talk to people, recruit people, and build funnels and systems and email marketing and connect all these things. And if they don't connect, it's going to be really, really hard. But with day trading, you can wake up with the iCoinPro system and spend 10 to 30 minutes a day and just look at the software and find day trades. You don't need to struggle to buy solo ads and hope they work and test and test and test, and then you're never even going to make money because you're all buying shit traffic anyways. So with iCoinPro, it's so much better because all you got to do is actually follow the system. And let me get out of the sun real quick. Just follow the system and click, 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 and follow the software, and you'll be able to make money from home. It's that simple. So if you're looking for faceless income, then this is the program for you. Okay, iCoinPro is the #1 network marketing faceless program that you don't even have to do anything as far as talking to people, building an email list, and things like that. So I really enjoy this system for other people. I audit programs, and I like to coach people. I coach people on how to day trade in iCoinPro. I demo the software, I demo the system, and you can actually invite your team onto my live Zooms and webinars to actually coach them. So you can leverage me, and I'm the only person right now in iCoinPro that does that. I'm the best leader, I'm the best sponsor because I actually use the product, and I demo the product and teach you how to use the product, and I'll even teach your team how to use the product. How fucking awesome is that? So it's like you have complete leverage, and you're never going to have to be able to struggle in iCoinPro when you're on my team. So let me go ahead and get back in the sun real quick so you can see me. So anyways, just shooting some videos out here real quick before we go. And I really love this system because it fits everything that people really want. People want faceless income. People want something that's not so expensive. People want to be able to make money in 10 to 30 minutes a day. People want to be able to have a product that's not going to fill their garage and actually help them make money. And then the owners are always open, transparent, and available for you to reach out to. And so this is really just everything you've been looking for in a network marketing program. And so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Please like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell notifications for more videos. And we are going to go riding right now. Let's see, my dad and uncle and sister are riding right now. I just want to shoot some videos. But thank you so much. Hope you're having a wonderful day. And click the link down below right now to get started in iCoinPro. Click the link right now.